Ogama. Awe mi bama o. Wetin dey happen between Abat Obase and Governor Obaseki? We go discuss am today. Wetin dey happen between these two people? Wetin Abat talk when they take ban down for Sadebe Avenue? Go let me share this book as well, guys. Nuge ya ya. Okome nuwane. Orase o agama.
DJ Asivo on the mix.
If you too talk, you can't go talk what you're supposed to talk. Nobody when this man never insult. He don't go insult the wrong person now. Don't be me talking. We go analyze that for here today. Ever your test or call me. I see you. I tell you, I say, today na part 2. Na part 2. I tell you na part 10 won't go reach. Part 10. Una go hear am wetin Ogbeti use the man talk. Una hear am just now. I want more sao, sayeme o. I think yeah, but we are different. Ever you thanks for coming. I see you. I see you. Make I quick share ram. People are not rushing. Make I quick share ram. Make I quick share ram. Now, very important discussion we will talk today. This thing don't they hear. Good dose to Akataka, one of the universe. Good dose to Ram. As if it update us. Waiting Ogbeti. Use the man talk. Waiting, go talk. He go the laugh Obaseki. Or Gio, he laugh am. We go analyze am here today. We go talk am here today. My pastor, thanks for coming. Thank you, man of God. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Thanks for coming, man of God. All the way from Stockholm. Thanks for coming. I'll visit your church one of these days. Wait till he talk. We go analyze am here. If you dey disagree, say Abat not talk that this thing. You're the first one they put for men ahead. Call for these brokers. Do that way, already to Agbe. If now that person ain't talk this thing, Abat na go first come and say, kill him. Go hotel, demolish your hotel, demolish this one, scatter your house, scatter this one. Now he by himself use man talk him now. Now God, now they fight for people. All people we don't insult. Now God they fight for them. This one a man will come out, he insult the full Esa land. Better people for our place, he don't use maths, insult all. So yes. Now Obaseki body. Obaseki body now he reach now. He not can see anybody insult again. He don't know when that word take come out of his mouth. I have hear say they say go delete the video. I trust a mega. Akataka one. On a fear, he caught that place where for talking. On a fear. So rich now. He don't see anybody insult again. He don't know when that word take come out of his mouth. He don't know. I have hear say they say go delete the video. Go delete it. He go delete it. Go delete the video. You don't know say they don't cut that place where he talk come out. Hard time not be me talking. Go talk am here today. Very important brokers. I'm gonna share these brokers. Bagay. Una chera. They don't bring down my view. I don't care. I don't care. That is why I first do small broadcasts. I beg you, we never go follow that my first broadcast when I do on my page with that now. That one I knew my page. Just Olakoko Talk Show. Finish. Olakoko Talk Show. You see me there. Now me get that one. I want to follow them. Because I not gonna know how they take their whole arrangement. So I did everywhere. If they block this one, you now find me there. My YouTube they there. He meeting women like me. He meeting women immediately. More to bomen line. More to bomen line. He does insult many people. Today. Wanna share this broadcast? Amagba or Betty of Amagba or Shoko Yedo or Shoko Yedo. If another person ain't do this thing where Betty do, they don't go demolish the house. They don't go demolish the house. Now part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 10. Now what do I reach? I tell you now. You don't know where take come up for a mouth. Niwa omagba. Osaigwe na la. Otowe ye. Oh, ina ya yire. If you do person something, he go say he not get power to ask you. But you go do on to person when he pass me. Whether that one go take him, they ain't happen to a bad so. Wait till they say talk. When they go give her Obaseki, the record and go give her to Obaseki. He don't come out for him man. Go say when I la. Happy Sunday to you all. Share when I go church today. Please share this broadcast. Share the broadcast. You want me a lago down? Apa to you know yate bagata. All you know yate bagata. Baba Mode, happy Sunday. Domosa. What is going on between Obaseki and Abbas? We want to know. Omata mame le gosman do governor we go. Omata mame wodo pepe viedo. Governor Obaseki, when are you going to start working? When you want to start work for those days? Where are the 4+4 people? Where una de keleo? Ejo kianga yo, e ma no ma o ne to move forward yo. Because of the truth what I stand for, I don't take what they move forward. They don't shake my broadcast, they don't fit. Now my view, now they pay them. Now they go tired. As we are talking now, people that is watching this broadcast, maximum is 60 people now. 60 people is watching. They won't bring her down. Now good evening, my leader. Thanks for coming, Mantis. Good evening. Thanks for coming. Happy Sunday. He does set. He does set. To talk, go talk. What he not supposed to talk. Not be me talker. Now tell you now. Today na part 2. We go plan for me again. What is going on between Lagos man and Amagba? Okbeti of Amagba. What did he talk? Happy Sunday to you all. Say when I go church today, Baba Monday, Edoma. Marty, say you go church today. It does set, oh. It does set. It does set between Obaseki and Abat. And Omeme is included. And you want the area where we go boombe. A bossy egbe. If they go to sweat people there. Oh, Evinaya, Yire, Alelo Makia. Good evening, Wella. Thanks for coming, Wella. Wella, I'm going to have you. You go join my secretary. You go join my secretary, Wella. Hey, the beautiful Iyowa in the building. Thanks for coming. Happy Sunday. It don't happen on this Akpo. It don't happen between Governor Obaseki, the Lagos man, and Abat Obase and Ebo Stone. Or setting here. We will talk am here today. Ah, wow. No, Iwala, you deserve, man. Please, after this broadcast, just text me send me your WhatsApp number. Okay? For my messenger. Call me with this number I will put here now. Okay? Remember, today. Oh, Betty and Omeme, they don't do sweat people name for Edo State. Nana, he reached their turn. I hear it well. Let's say, yes. No time to check the okay. What you want for? We came in here, Madam. I'm winning. Umaso Sanuda fi Okbeti of Edo State. Unu no bia of Edo State. Umaso Salopoa. Efala Wagbene. Very simple. Always far la Wagbe. That very short book. What make I draw and go back small? And no say music that they listen to that. No music when if you listen to music, you know say carry meaning. Ogele or the full Scandinavia. What talk about your boy lawyer. Ogele, you never hear what did happen between Abat Obase and Lagos man, Governor Obaseki. What did they happen to them? And Omeme, Ebo Stone. What did they say they talk? We go talk am here. This music make I take and go back small and they listen. As when I read all. Away far, Emma, you don't know when I go that way far. I say, Okbeti and a crazy, no be blessed, Sammy just for coming. Don't I share this broadcast? I'm going here. Umaso Saloboa. Il est dordé. What am I? Efagala Wagbe, Efaleyangbe Era no migo jowa, niya makweno mi dede. The kabakata, we wait to kabakato when they go to destroy your hotel. Wait it up. Benabon. Go, thanks for coming. Good evening. Feel free to share this broadcast and continue to give me thumbs up. Ude. Oh, Magije. Oh, Magije. I'm here now. Who never resort? Atalogbe. Ewu ya take one run soma. Very simple. A result where no betty. This is your result. You don't do sweat people name. And I know I never result. I never result. This is your result. Are you down? Una moment in the down. Emo, in one no what I'm on. Very simple. Who never result? Echo yari erime. They happy. Fiunyime weri okpeti. Fiunyime weri egi weri edo eniria. Kato sa waro yo. It is not to worry now. It is not to worry now. We sadoka we, bakoberia we, we dividia we, we denkwa we katosa we pastor sege say ya one we, unu ya metita, we maleke ya we, eri mage, no wa magbe wo we, don't no mario jana. Who you know insult with those states? 5 minutes time we go start up. 5 minutes we go start up. I go banana wakere 5 minutes.
Comrades, there are no
No be adegbe obiahin.
Unyi se no nyi. We boya fefefe.
Dike na no mi go we. No na arro be na no mi go. E resort we no. E resort we.
Wa o mi ya o, ma be o mi ya o. We say baba.
We go educate ourselves today. Papa, why could I just enjoy what I said? Why do I go on? How's your test for coming? I see. No magio, ele sigalevo, agiveosa, agiveosa, erano, bigo do edekbe. Ude susu, ude preach. Agiveosa, okbeti, Yo, a resort to worry now. I didn't put my hair and last resort to winner. No, yet, okay, I delete it. And I'm going to fear. Oh, fear. God now they fight for us. Now God they fight for us. We go pepper them. They never see anything. When I share this broadcast, guys, share this broadcast. Baba Monday, happy Sunday. Oh, Magije. Oh, Salopo had been an one. That was who all Betty. I mean, where they can. che era un amico na fie ona fie vai era un amigo no ga ona fie no time to check time. One shop am so. Thank you for coming. We will chop am as they play. No time to check time. First and foremost, happy Sunday to you all. Shey una go church today. I beg any one of us when the watch we not go church today. I beg coming Sunday this week when we enter so. Try go church. God first before every other thing. Our gosa. When I try go church. Greeting to you all according to the location where they watch me from. I greet you once again. Now, very important discussion. Now we want to discuss today. Yesterday I come out. Let you know say that one at the part 1. Part 1. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 10. I tell you now. But the many say we still deal with our great leader, Comrade Tony Kabaka Adun for APC youth leader. If matter they arise like this, they come to join them, we go see the hit them, they go. Now the 16th, now be the last day for our Comrade Tony Kabaka Adun for APC youth leader. General, thanks for coming. Happy Sunday to you, General. I see you. Who never drop something, who never wanna try support our great leader, Tony Kabaka Adun, before nothing or the 14th of this month. Nothing is too big, nothing is too small. Make una support him. In short, make I quick pin the account there now. Make I pin the account there. Wanna support him? He want to host youth. Or ya host the youth, ya wala wo. I want to tell you, no even go yewa osalobo adebawa. Kabaka appreciate you all. I greet you now. Make I quick pin the account there. Make we analyze wetin dey happen between Obaseki and Abat Obaze. Happy Sunday, my great leader, Baba Sasui, your boy loyal to you. Thank you very much for coming. Make we analyze her. Time not there to check time. Otalogbe, who Abat never insult for the full Edo State. Who do know where of the universe? I make you know they can. All of them, they don't put where they never insult for Edo State. You know, say when matter come out the other day, we will analyze them, we will talk the matter. I let you know. Say they say wetin he talk come out for Matt concerning Lagos man. They say this one is too big. They say it too big. They say wetin Kabaka ever do, you know, every reach one quarter of that thing when they say this Ogbeti talk. You know this one quarter when they go demolish property when worth more than 400 million, they bring her down. They see tell our brother make he come see pay 800, make they want to sweep him. I believe my leader is watching here, Don Young. I beg anybody when get that Kabaka, the way they destroy that Kabaka hotel, make una set that call for me. Make I show now how people wicked rich. I will show now. Thanks for coming yourself. Happy Sunday, my brother. I go show now how people work wicked rich. People will not get forgiving heart. We go analyze them. Now, next one, an open show. We don't know what they do here. We educate ourselves. If you know, say yes. Yes. Say, or this way, or Betty of Edo State. Person where they don't know for Amagba. CSO to Amagba. The demand they there. They say the man not they oppress anybody. CSO to Amagba. Over here. You know they oppress anybody. Now you this one will be say they say they don't know for Amagba. Ama one or what do Bowawa. Amagba don't they exist. I be boy Amagba ain't need Amagba name for long before this one come. Now this man now would they spoil them boy Amagba name. They spoil of their name. They put their name. They join. This will not get head. Matthew Uzwe give they had their name. They join a bad thing. What did they do now because of this Ogbeti when go join that place. Who you never insult. We go analyze them here today. Make a quick write the number. But I'm not Russian. If you disagree with me, say this or this video when you want listen so say yes, this guy not talk am. Say Ogbeti no go fit talk am. Call for this broadcast. Make you can't tell us. Say yes, you really believe say he not talk am. Say na lie. Now Omeme go talk for your head. You call, make you tell us. Make I quick put the number there. Account number. Yes, I go message get going. Wa feel yo 19 on the 14. Mona try, mona support. Tony Kabaka Adun, nothing is too big, nothing is too small. Zenith Bank, Tony Kabaka Adun. Okay. Account number, Zenith Bank, blah blah blah. Okay. Yes. Wes, thanks for coming. Thank you all for coming. Time not there to check time. Because this man, he don't to do. He don't to do. We never insult. Now in your time, now it comes so. So that is why we are not pity for him. This one they call a pity for person. Say you go fit talk am, you no go fit do talk am. We analyze am. Okay, our leader details don't dey there. You will never get am. Free me you save am. Free me you save am. Go plan now where the video save. We start time. Yes, my people, thank you for coming. Matter day, we not clear for years. She saw this why. We not clear for years. She saw this why. Without the wait to really know the real truth of this matter. You know, Ogbeti, he pack go Lagos. We come say at Lagos, he want to stay. During everything when they talk all that time, how they take the poison themselves, how they take the poison people, how they take the put people, you know, they are gang up. The kind of wickedness when they get, the Mutari, we can't know some evil name. When they did that, our state, we can't know people when we don't go bomb market, we can't know people when we go common zinc for House of Assembly, we can't know the people when we say, now then go shoot gun for fence or for Wanokwa. We can't know the people when we say that NSAS. When we not say that inside that NSAS period, Maleke hold one guy for hand. We don't know who go hit that guy. So now all these things we can't know the bad people when they for our state. Now Ogbeti, I make sure all of their name come out. Say see the people name. Now we can't wait because we hear say they say get with the record them, they send them go Osadebe Avenue. Now they can't ban them for Osadebe Avenue. We go softly analyze them. I tell you now this thing now part 1, part 2, part 3, part 10. Now I want to do them. As I do them, I'll see the reminder now for our great leader Tony Kabaka Adun for APC youth leader. That one a short banker. Yeah, can't they won't drop with the drop. But this matter we go analyze them well. We analyze them well. I believe we're not going to forget. we're not going to forget some audio day when I still played last time. When some people send. When some people send come. When I wait. Look, I look for them.
Your day just the break. Day just the break for you. easy to say you sabi talo, say na you dey talo, dey insult all the Edo people. Because say na you be number one man for Edo. Nobody dey fit talk to you. You fit talk to anybody. You say na you be Odunga. Boy don dey you now.
Don't dey you now.
So you say you smart. You don see as the smart
The
you.
smart person.
You dey talk anyhow.
Una
With
see
your
am?
beard, you no fit shave. Even beard, you no fit shave.
They call smart person.
As you, I no sure. Say you even get your own personal clipper wey you fit take shave yourself. You dirty like pig. Dey insult old people, insult young and old. So that you get those things.
Nobody will know insult.
When fit make you come and go Lagos?
Nobody will know insult.
You say na you get Edo, Ebo Ede. Wetin make you run go Lagos? Pack your bag and baggage. Make you run comot for that Lagos. Go back to Edo. Go back to Benin. That your house wey you say you build, so go stay there. Go back to Benin. Go back to Benin Abad. We no wan see you for that Lagos. And if you ever try come South Africa, na war you dey.
Okay.
No deceive yourself.
I win
Say you
like
wan
South
come this
Africa.
side, because
I
you
win
go grind for
like
this side.
win like South Africa.
As e dey hot reach,
America
when
won
they
like
beat foreigners and xenophobia everything, so we still
You
dey
know
for
what
the
America?
crowd.
You know where you wan go?
House there.
That's why they don't give
me
Ian or maybe visa. They don't give the visa.
This
They
be
go
that.
find visa.
Enter road,
Amadi
go
visa
journey,
near.
make you see as e be. All those Mexico, you say you
they
go
wear
there
your
before for
I
South
hear they
here.
decided they wear your
Wetin
veil.
pursue you? Come back. If
They
you
wear
try
your
here,
veil. Ni ega ata with my passport.
we go tell you say I when they take eat food there, no be they take the share meat.
Oh,
So say you
Amadi
get
no
mad, you
me.
dey insult people.
Amadi ene ogbeti.
Now we suppose it there. That time when they declare Obaseki for Supreme Court, and they watch you on the Bosto video and they jubilate. We actually dey carry the mumu with your K leg. Can they say suppose they declare them? Wetin happen for SARS? In a part 1 for B. So now they spoil things for that Edo State.
You hear am?
Go Wile Oshomole for airport.
You hear am?
Go Wile people for where do SARS,
You
beat
hear am?
them up, do everything.
Well,
So
that
you
know.
know they confess now. Say if you open your mouth, they both go jail. You go follow and go jail
Una dey
because you
listen,
be a
oh.
witness for wetin you want talk. So you also get hand put. You talk out, you don't talk out. All una record, una video, everything dey.
Okay.
I go touch you. Say you don't confuse. You never see this. You even confess. Say wetin happen to you now. It never happened to anybody before.
Oh.
This is just beginning. You just dey start. Pikin wey say mama no go
Yeah,
sleep,
yeah.
papa no go sleep, he no go sleep, papa no go sleep. That Edo State, you no go sleep. Go back to Benin. If you say you be mad, go face Bosto for Benin. No dey run, no dey run. You know say as una dey pursue Oshomole that time they will leave for airport whatever. You still dey enter road. You dey enter.
Very short. I go na small what they do am. I tell una say na part 10 now go do am reach. Part 10. Una here listen to this this audio when they send when they everywhere now. He went Ogbeti. He say una remember when he say he come confused. Say wetin happen to am so it never happen to am before. He no dey fit sleep. Una go remember I use am do brokers here. He no dey fit sleep. The matter wetin no dey make am fit sleep, e don come out. I tell una say na time na e go take, na e go by himself use him mouth talk am. I tell una, small rain go fall for Edo State, road no dey to pass. No security for our state. We dey be like we no get governor. Governor is there, he just be like governor of minors. He don't care about the people. He don't know whether anybody they exist. See all the old primary school, rain all the big children for inside school. This man don't care. Osiomo power plant where he promised the people. Una don't see Osiomo. Anybody is waiting for Nigeria for years. Una don't get light. If man like go do video, they tell una say see the wire e dey ground o. This thing correct no dey o. Na scan o. Una no yeah. Then at time we say what am we the gboto. Gelegele support. If Gelegele support dey now, do you know the kind of benefit we go dey for Edo State? For you to go the carry car come for Lagos before they know what you have to tell you say tomorrow is don't enter. Before you go carry car from Lagos, they drive and they come Benin, you go dey fear. They fear for that the Benin Lagos road where all these papa people don't food there. They pray make you drive reach house. But even that Lagos safe, then you go see. I tell tire. Now you will see that Lagos, then you carry bus go. Who never do business of bus here? The person they tell me now saying they load bus, they carry bus, they go out. I just they laugh. I not be that kind of person when they come in there, come they proud. People don't carry bus, go as you go reach airport, that airport there for Lagos. They will kill that bus. They'll kill them. Everything we put for inside, not go complete. A lot of people when they watch me go don't experience them. Go don't experience them. Come my brother now, I carry container. My chairman, container. Now they say because they tire they inside. Now container they drag since now. I must say container. Wait till be tire. Cut tire they inside container. Wait till come worth millions. Una all come put them for one chance. Una all put them for one chance. Gele seaport, you know get ahead. You know get ahead. Or everyday protest. Collect doctor, you know they sleep. They land for your office every blessed day. They submit, go the report case. Your guy airports, so you be human rights activists. Airports. Different land problem. Collect doctor, you know they receive $1 for government. And they imagine how they pay for all that store. That is why after all these things don't go down. This Omeme and Ogbeti matter we come enter so we go talk everything after all the 16. May God let Kabaka be the APC youth leader for those states. We don't say that one don't come out. We go celebrate Kola Edokpayi birthday again. Kola Edokpayi birthday. I mean, in short, testing met the mic again. Because the man they try. Oh, see one woman now when she go pull plantain for head. Old mama, they don't go sell their basket, they don't go sell their forest, sell their land. Sell their land. See another one again when I say show una. Community. Egbiri. Community. They don't get hospital. They don't get school. They can't cry, give, we don't say all community. They say they get or they are one big man when see the diaspora. They'll say this our brother and I still get money for this our village. Me they say go cry meet up. They can go cry meet this man. Say our brother. If we get belly, if the women get belly, before they go town, they go hospital, go deliver. Now God they stand for them. We not get hospital, we not get clinical. The man can go build hospital. He can go build hospital. The community can give her land. They can go build hospital. Make their people they go there. Now, go all this is what they told us. So they call it Adopayi. If they can't go Obaseki now, they'll go seal that hospital. They say make people not go inside again. When I see how people wicked rich, people cry. You don't feel beat for them. Somebody see come and see beat for them. You say why he beat for them. When I see how people bad rich. You dey say so. All right, make I plan for una. Not be me talking. Time no day to take time. Time no day to school. Time no day. Now the time we dey gonna work. Now me wa lona. Oh ja, I just sing a woman. Oh ja sing a woman. Ija ni yes igene korwe. Oh ja sing a woman. Who be this one? All these people dey here, sister, not tell me. No run, no wait. Make I come on you here. Make you go dey look out for the background. Una dey here, sis. Where is my secretary? My secretary not dey here. Where my people? Una they see all this this place. Joy, who be this joy wey dey here so? This place look at Magbabuchi is better place for your head. I resemble Omeme. This one I crack your Omeme page. Na wrong direction on a deal. That's how you get mad. Who carry you come? Una not tell me sis. Thank you very much. Una wait the reply them. Una for tell me sis now. Why not they let them waste their time here? Next time, una they let me know. People like all these people wait they here. Una they tell me. I don't get time to waste with them. That's why yours they commode the chap. Like all this one, yours they commode them. They don't need to day here. Anyone wanna see a game, let me know. Just write comment, block this person, remove her from this place. Make them come again. Go and create another fake account. Make you take on. You hear? Go create another fake account. Make you take on. Worry, are you a boy? You know what? Make Edo State move forward. Move forward, yo. Move forward, yo. Lagos man na the man, oh, yo. Move forward, yo. Move forward, yo. Bola de pepe dem na the man, oh, yo. Not be so una singer come that evil music una play come out. Not be so una talk. Not be so una tell the people. We una don't move us reach now. Alago Dao don't become Alagi Yeke. Nothing is working in Edo State. Everything, nobody they feel they talk. Everybody keep quiet. People is afraid for this governor to not go and demolish their property. Wait, it gonna tell me only one particular thing this man don't do. Ogogoro man, talk am as he be. Ogogoro man, Ogogoro. Oyobono, you say where you go. No, they show us on computer PD again. You know the year. If you not say anything to show, you know they do live video inside your church. Where live video with church? You know they preach for church, they put up for live video for you to go to show computer PD. Now see I don't be Lagos. Now you come and say I don't know Lagos. I be enter house. Ogogoro man. Lawa say you don't too hold for media. Enter house. Not be you supposed to do this thing. Carry one of your children come. Make they come and do media. You will they back them up. Not be you. Your man bene. Yeah, Agbumbo. Go to farm. Go and farm. All my people. May we mark show now. Thanks my beautiful Iyagbe Wato. Iyagbe ne mose. May we talk am. May we quick plan. We have safe. Yen woyi. Uwa send there you go. Hey. Ogwenze get gwalo. Ogegwalo. Where you dey? No be me talk am. They say as he talk am, na God na push am. You know say this all this world of a thing. Nothing is working in Edo State. I am afraid. You are afraid. No be say I'm afraid. No be only you want the fear. Last month test for coming. No be only you want the fear. Success. No be only you want. Everybody the fear. Everybody the fear. Baba wa talk better. I'm a great leader. Baba Jagbo in the building. I agree to my leader. Nothing is working in Edo State. Nothing is working. Fulani don't fool everywhere. Awusa, they say once you reach Benin now, before you wait, I do our road. They say Awusa. Iyan do our Awusa. Awusa don't take everywhere. Where the video? We am waiting na yen wo na. Ajagwa lo e. Wago me. They say as Ogbeti enter live video, he talk. As he dey talk, he dey sweet and he dey talk. He dey talk. Wetin concern Ununowia of Edo State. Now only one, he come out. We can't tell the people say he say na Panadol dey inside warehouse for medical store road. Una remember? He say na Panadol dey inside. When be say na people volunteer order food to take help the people. They lock up for inside that warehouse. When they see and say, okay, someone say make I call her. Make I call you. I call you. He say make we not shop. Wetin people come dash us. They lock up for inside that warehouse. When they come see and say people don't know say something dey there. Wetin they can't do? They can't go wrong. Go there. See the food when they bring now before people reach there, all the doors spoil. They just spoil. See, problem. Wait till he talk. I could play for now before he delete that video. And I go to cut him. Or fear, na fear. They cannot ya tiny. Hey, mata. Hey, mogio baseki. Hey, me. Hey, mogio. Let me talk. Yes, my leader. It's why I greet you. Happy Sunday.
Wow.
He said, I greet you, my brother. Well done. Oh.
Hey, don't you go for? Where do you, Baba? You know what you make me take a guy in a last born. I was a man of Kakabo. It's a sister, the message you will not call you.
Aha, okay. One love. Okay, bye. Okay. All right, my people. Make we look for that video. Make we plan. Make we look for it. I get one lawyer. Yeah, they cannot say Ajay now. They here. I get one lawyer. Ununa, I control it. Talogbe, Tebagata. He doit tout do. He doit tout do. We are listening very carefully. As I won't plan for now. But we know the rush him. We know the rush him at all. We could not listen. Waiting. This man. Omeme. He record Ogbeti of Edo State. He can't go give Lagos man. Who cause the problem between Obaseki and Abat Obaze. So if you know another thing when it cause problem between them, feel free to call for these brokers, make you educate us, educate the whole world. Make una help me share these brokers. Who never share them, make una share them. Honestly, Osomole government is still the best. Now you they talk this one success. What? Now you they talk this one. No, they compare Osomole with Obaseki. Compare Obaseki with Igbinedion, Lucky Igbinedion. No, why you would compare Osomole? Can you no, Osomole too beat him, na 1,000,000%. How you compare them? That's a wrong statement. No, compare Obaseki with Lucky. When we plan, listen to this.
All my lad, they're not aware. More, no hammy. Where Okalo to Edo Mabie.
Madame, oh,
Even the man one more. Where the Okalo to go away. But talk this thing. But so I know. So no matter what I'm going.
Terrorists are bad. Why are you so wicked?
My people, I won't drop number there now. Secretary is not watching. Write my number for the comment. I beg you. Just write my number there. Make a quick write down there. You win the wash. If you disagree with me, say this man not fit talk this thing. Free may you call. Okay? Make I put my number there. Make I put them there. If another person do this thing, hey. Now this man, I go dey fight put. May they go destroy property. So my number don't the comment. Okay? So you when you get anything when you want to talk for this matter, free to call. Make you leave your contribution. We go talk now part 1, part 2, part 3, part 10. Part 10. You don't to insult people. The question when we see they ask, majority win the vote. If you agree, say yes. Ogbeti go fit talk this thing, right? Yes. Say yes. If you say yes, that mean say go fit talk am. If you say no, that mean say no go fit talk am. Wa agbon eyo. Wa kalo eyo wa. Mega, me trust in you. Yeah, matana. Every boy is the law. Hey, Boston versus Abatobaze, stroke, Lagos man, Obaseki. I can't tell. What? Part 1, part 2, part 10. Now, what 1? Me. Now, part 1, part 2. Wetin Maleke do Ogbeti. Wetin he do am? Wey be say go dey insult Maleke. What you doing? Now you time ego wa verena. Man. We know rush do am. We go take am easy. You will never subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't put my link there. Free me you do. And my number is there. Who want call? Free to write it down now and call. Call for the brokers. Yes, you agree. Say this we have those states. Nothing when Mark no go fit touch. Yes, he go fit talk this kind of thing. Call for these brokers, make you talk to the whole world. All right, we start time.
Over time, name is Bemidiana. All my lad, they're not aware. More no hammy. Where Okalo to Edo Mabie.
Hey!
Awara.
Listen very carefully. This is very simple and clear. Hey, Mota, no, me talk. This is social media. Now, what we see for social media, now we analyze. People will cry, come out now, say, oh, what I will carry their house on the video when they do come out. Now we take the broadcast. Now we take the help them answer more. So that may the government know, say, people need the attention for social area. Ogbeti of Edo State, Urunogwia of the universe, the only man wey insult the full Esa land, the only man wey be one close Wesley Hotel with problem. Who be this one again? Osaro, who are very rare. If you write on that thing here now, I block you. Yeah, we not play here. Not be for children like you. This na powerful people there here. I don't need quality of people, not tangible of people now I need. Not be quality, I matter. My ear is here, your wife is washing. Important people don't dey here now. So you lock Osaro, any one more comment, you don't block. I don't want you now. You know, I don't want you. You write anything again, bam! I'll just come you, boom! You not be on me cracking ball, you're cracking on me team. When they say on me. Now me talk this thing so. Wait till you don't talk, put. If you don't know what he talk, he say, on me, oh, why ya fidodo. He say, oh, why ya fidodo. He say, oh, why ya fidodo. Go tell Lagos man, Obaseki say, but he say, you not born. Hey, Mota. Oh, what am I getting better? Hey, Mota. Listen,
time name is Midiana. Oh, my lad, you're not aware. More no hammy. Where Okalo Tore do Mabie.
Or you say, person, come out. You know, say if they won't talk like, ask me when I don't say and they speak Benin like this. They don't make me swan as if they said, do we broke say? They didn't swan as do. Okay, we will be done. Okay, but I'm not doing your time. I go analyze the worry. Okalo Tore do. It means say, number one citizen. Number one, who be the number one citizen? We know the following the Azu. Who now say be the number one citizen? That is Obaseki for federal. He say person talking for social media. Say na him tell am say na him tell the person say una number one citizen he not born. That is the matter where they grant now. This thing went to be. They say this video as he finish and he go before he go cut am, he go delete am. Before he delete am, you trust am Akataka one of the universe. He don't cut this place come out. Cook man, boka. Oh no, we fearing. Because I tell you now, say he go by self use the man talk am. But I don't rush am. People, that guy we my lake a hole for that answers. Who do am? This guy they come and tell us. When I go write am down. How they take plan go bomb market? Now in March we go for year. People when light the fire, people when put kerosene, people when light matches, crack the matches. Now he go tell us. When I know this one. When I know yours Orient. As far as they don't give her appointment now, appointment no reach in hand. Now make all these things they come out. Otherwise, all these things for no year. It was they give her appointment now, the matter go die like that. All right, let's go on. Listen very carefully now. This was Osaro. You still there? I'm still waiting for your next comment. Mona they wash am sources. Mona shine on the high. If Osaro write anything will not make sense. Come, yours let
me name is Midiana.
Midiana.
Oh my lad, you're not aware. More no hammy. Where Okalo Tore do Mabie. Oh my lad. Even the man one more young. Imagine the Okalo to go about talk this thing. But so I know. So no matter what.
Why are
you so wicked?
You like that one?
Everyone know that Mega Comrade Clement Eranomego Edegbe is not a Governor Obaseki fan. Why will you inject Governor Obaseki into this Papa Wala and Destiny matter? Abat, why are you indirectly telling?
Wait till concern Papa Wala matter. with Obaseki. Now you they talk for Papa Wala matter. Will you the diaspora here? People from Nigeria and diaspora. I need all everybody attention. Make una call talk for this matter when they grant. If you they support this Betty, say na lie they put for over head. May you can't let the whole world know. If you see Billy say yes, this man not the way no fit talk oh. Now in your talk this matter oh. Not the way no fit talk. Make una come talk to the whole world. Because this Betty don't to insult people. Who he never insult where those things remain. Amafi Jessica. Ovie Donimaya yo. This Betty next he come out insult him. Alago Dao don't become Alagi Yeke. Nothing is working in those states. Osiomo power plant, it don't become a Dogoyaro village. Nothing is working. Gele support don't have a chance. Oh, the only thing Obaseki know how to do is to come out on social media, scan and people with big English. Now English we want show up. Who English help? Who English help? English don't bath. If you don't sabi speak Benin, you don't sabi speak broken. Who goes a door? Who goes a broken? Market women, I market. How una they enjoy una 4+4? I'm the market way born. How many this man don't build? Kaftosa Okumbo when supposed to help for the market way born. Una don't use una mat, cause and. The man never die. Una the answer they go say the man don't die. Una the answer say go don't die. Okay, make a quick come on you here now. Yeah, as you use your short man, you know. You yourself know now. Where am here, boy? Lare, ele, you cut them away. Yeah, be like a woman pay for your eye. All the West Ham, oh, where you had put, and they come on you here immediately. When you say you see people like Uwela sit down, they watch. You won't be Babiala. You come here, they say that you know pass. Yeah, one night. Yeah, well, no, no. You don't need to say you they come out. You don't need to ever tell us bye-bye before you come out. And they come out you for here immediately. Yeah, be like Stadio Kwemila page. If it is important for your eye. It is important. That one una Betty when they go use the mouth, they talk rubbish. Don't go use the mouth, talk rubbish all everywhere. Boy, we never ever reach 40 years. Why baby don't stress people go out like don't put on for head. Family matter will not concern and go put for head. How many times it don't come up for social media? Make it come tell you and say this is the work where Obaseki don't do. It's where Obaseki will do more. Make it give you a hope. This one and the work we don't do. How many road? NDDC road when NDDC do. Now that Gogoro man go to show on social media. You go tell you and say now Obaseki do and I'm going to clap on the follow 4+4. Ogba. Oh man, Igbanenia. What market? What will be time now? 8 o'clock. I think it will be 7 for Nigeria. Our market will be Nigeria. The street light for the street light when they the road. You see they walk. Why you not ask yourself the reason why Obaseki offer? It don't become Indian army of Edo State. No one can say anything. Nobody if you talk anything. You know our God. Oh, Obaseki is there to serve the people. Now your servant. If you don't know me, you know. Then your day in charge of all the revenue. Now your sweat, now they collect. People, now Obaseki tell them for go to collect money for Agbo. I go plan for una just now. Una listen very carefully. Agbo, when you Agbo, you pay ticket. Whatever, shut it 4+4. They tell you now, una not here. When I play for una one more time, I go play where they for the collect ticket from Agbo. We go plan again one more time. Now part 1, part 2, part 10. This matter, now we want to one. This time, for this time. See how people they right here. Say yes, you go fit talk. God bless you. Yes. If you agree, say yes, this man go fit this Betty go fit talk, this thing, tell laugh Obaseki. Say yes. If you say yes, that mean say you agree with me, say yes, you go fit talk. If you want to call for this broadcast. Call. You go down number if you call for WhatsApp. Call, may you tell us, say yes, my brother. This thing when you play so, Betty go fit talk. Now you talk. Say call. Say if you want to deny for say not be talk. Come see talk. What's your question? The reason why you talk like that. Listen again very carefully. Hey, Motai.
Confirming it that government.
Listen. All that time we need the other. All my lad, the other time where mo no khami we okalo to re do mabie o wana ta even the man wana wa moyo imagine the okalo to go about this thing but so I know so no matter what
terrorist Abatoba say, why are you so wicked? Everyone know that Mega Comrade Clement Ranome Edegbe is not a Governor Obaseki fans. Why will you inject Governor Obaseki into this Papa Wala and Destiny matter? Abat, why are you indirectly telling the public, confirming it that Governor Okaluto Arioba, Governor Obaseki Womabie? Abat, you are indirectly telling people that His Excellency Governor Obaseki have no child. Why are you laughing at him, Abat? Why are you indirectly letting the public know that Okaluto Arioba? Why are you so wicked? Is it by force to get an appointment? Why are you doing this, Abatobaze? Your hypocrisy is too much. You are an hypocrite. And these are the things others will say. You will say, Bewa, let the governor come down. Let the governor do that. And you are doing the same thing. And here you are trying to blame it on a stone. If you did not say it, go and swear to terrorist Abatobaze. Where you have you go. Where you have been bored, you wear your board. Abatobaze. You are so wicked.
Akataka, one of the universe. This video, as he can say, he must not stay one place. He know how to take the insult people. He go talk this one, insult this one, insult this one, insult this one. So he don't they used to run. You see, so they say was just enter. That's why he begin to talk. He talk. He can't go talk. They say as you talk before he realize he can go delete the video. As before he delete the video, trust Mega don't cut up. Yakata cannot go. On a fear. He don't cut up.
About your day just the.
Listen, how they collect money? How they collect money for people when they say Agbo? We better push her. They don't give their ticket. Agbo, they give their ticket. Pure water seller. People when they say pure water seller. They don't give their ticket. Pure water. When we say people see they go the head, they will say, this shit don't support their school. Because of so man of give carry and go school. None of they say pure water. They bless them. Or don't say they don't bless tire. It do as the power is. They give their ticket. They don't give their ticket. You when they watch me when it's 4+4. We wait talk about when you want tell Obaseki, when Obaseki won't start work for Edo State. When they want start work, listen very carefully. Kuna way they say Agbedo not dey again. Listen very carefully.
And some other members, the governors, AIG, lawyer supervisor, even Sulawani. So, I am the Arriva, you supervise. But when you are not the I am many photo because you are not understanding the work.
Please, if you when you watch me, you never say
I know why the stick, you know why I'm wasting. I know a pistol Yahweh. A parity.
Don't try to bring down my view. I don't agree.
A parity.
I don't agree.
When I was passing the Costello Junction, then they got me load the Lawani Junction. The load the Mission Road Junction. On a target. Lodi coordinator. Okay. Loriva. So, when I load, that is the only one I pay. I did best already. I am wet by a Mwari Mubakot in Uruputao. I am Mwari Mubakot in we are paid 50,000 naira.
50,000.
So, I have paid 50,000 naira. I could pay 10,000 naira.
Okay.
I mean, about secrets, Amigo. Then number 2. Like when I feel in another walkway. Oh, Saradiogi. Because I got another so and Saradiogi now and you and I got corruption my life system. I got another Tabakaya when I need corruption my life system. The system will be perfectly okay. Then I got any yes, ma'am. I so, if I work with me, you have a cheddar senior. A cheddar senior, already Lagos Road, from Lawali Junction to Mission Road Junction. They have to pay 150 every day. Then, I'm not going to police station. Then opposite the Libeli police station. Then from Lawali Junction to Mission Road Junction. Valley 250,000 naira. I collect your bill every day. I target no. Then Upper Mission. Yes, sir. Upper Mission, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Costero Junction. Valley. A cheddar seen on the river. They have a target. They have a target for every location. All the analysis. I just calculate away. You need to ladder. Then, Aduawa Junction, Berakara. Any target near P. No, Ebuston. Ebuston, I power joke. Abat. I saw the zero away. Again with bedded over here. I am there. The cow near. I can target here. Oh, when you have the cow over bed over here, you send me all that conductor come by a cow. I come Sarajogi. Listen. Sajogi na de interfere matani okay, okay. Bosto is even worse than Tony and Osaka no so when the Bosto is getting a green snake under the green grass. Okay. About to believe yeah, queen. But able still done the property of Bonnet, Ulemo. Utonable still a running a bit at 20. In a time away. Utone delay a bit at 20. I done the property in the year. I'm not when you have ticket in here. Just wait, control motor. A motor, then you motor in a direct here. Aria. It cannot get any a load. You know, a revenue. You collect a regime of show looking, a regime looking millennium. A mass of Eboso. I was saying, I'm way of our own. I'm worried about mobile cuts. A mobile cut in when I went back here. Oh, quarter. Tirinos. Ah, bigger. No, I bet Tirinos. You pay 50,000. What pay 50,000? You pay 10,000. What pay 10,000? You know what I pay 10,000. You pay 10,000. Ebosonia 10,000. You pay 50,000. And those same job at 50,000. You pay 3 months. So, I pay 10,000 Eboso. Eboso corrupt is a commissioner of police in Warukbuna. Because they should not have. Yes, or me what? They cannot have a chicken and Guayra. They never concern ego. I don't know. Oh, no car. Okay, yeah. Also, no. Four plus four. Yeah, my papa was a killer away about to be out here. Okay. Yeah, I'm in the Yagua. Where are the 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4. What do you want? I am kidnapped. Wounded with military uniform. So you can see the state is no longer safe for anybody. Getting a man when you're there, a man with an animal, my real animal, my market. But when I want to make sure a security abnormal, a security abnormal, believe me, everybody, all over. Yeah, Tamawana, I give I the Toledo. I give I investigate because Billy is no longer safe. Everybody relocate to Abuja.
Of course.
A sassy kid warrior. Abasaki beg away a policeman with Bell Lager, Dizale again, a Magua, a Bosso warrior, a police warrior, Abati warrior. And no, no. No, I said, I did Bosso Yago. Up my own, I said, Papa Abba. I did a Bosso, a man on my face. Papa Abba.
Who know Papa Abba?
I need to ask Mutari.
Papa Abba, come on for video. 4+4. Your money.
This regime is far worse than Oshomole regime. In fact, Oshomole regime, everyone enjoy compared to this regime. A regime is not Pitamawe. They are Tory.
Let's wait. Nobody tell you want
to. The regime is not a ticket in the ticket.
When I hear them, I go at the ticket.
I never forget chairman of the Federal Revenue.
They want to hear go at the ticket.
A ticket. He had the ticket. He had the ticket. Who working? He had the rock. He had the ticket.
He had the ticket.
But I got show me when he had the ticket. The bus driver taxi driver will not have the ticket. Right now, here you have from A to Stadio. The regime of Basakina, here you have the ticket.
Wow,
no matter office in my back out.
Okay.
Able stone. A new beginning. I mean, Nari Waki, I no see you.
Is you?
But Maloko no see you. I no see you. When I love you again.
Oh, yes, it's in ya.
I love you better when you be no see you. Of your job, I saw. You're never so have you not defended. I will verify the beauty.
BB Hotel. Away BB Hotel, Yagbe Kwayi. I beg when I wait there diaspora. Make could not go BB Hotel again. No, put on go BB Hotel again. Why are you like that? BB Hotel, here we were. Here we Yagbe Kwayi. Why do you poison? I don't feel use and do broadcast. They say na poison. They call the poison themselves. They go now. Baba Martin starts to come in. Poison. They poison themselves. Oguna me no yo wa. I ain't getting poison. They cannot you. Poison. We are poison now. They poison people. Poison. They say don't they quit the key. It will take time. Once you don't reach, you don't go their house or deal with your people. You can't die for their neck. They don't know what to kill you. Now poison. BB Hotel. Beware of that place. Beware of that place. For now, yes, or maybe they there, a Boston, we can not enter there. The way they take the run for Wesley Hotel. So now BB Hotel, na company, na they on board now. Now we meet to come. If you ask me where the BB Hotel, then I don't know. Mona beware. I get careful.
Careful. All because of shit. One investigator. One month to get the investigator. Now I can't investigate after January. The way they PC yaro. They call animal less. Now you leave out the Gani soap in Oya.
Gani soap where Yahoo. Oh, why you
and the last and not the least. Anybody on a problem. Yeah, so people in the hospital. Yeah, my way. People in the hospital say problem I don't know. I don't know what location here one year. I don't know the security, but you know location are ready every month. I don't know that door, boom. I didn't coordinate the any go to the local care. Me, I say, man, I will go and be here. Can you hear? I just want to hear some money. I will be on the way of money. Money, everybody. 1 year, you invest in a beer. Me, I say, problem the government and the government. Even if the father state to collect in the state, when you are on the state, me, I say, man, I will boy.
What? Very simple and clear. Any small thing in diaspora who need support, if they don't go Joe Sagi, they'll put up for video. Hey, diaspora, oh, come and support. Diaspora, we they plug money for diaspora. Maybe, I take back by your worry there. We they hustle. Diaspora. All this say they where they diaspora is only where the bottle or that move when all their left and right. Where be saying lapa na I can't do the way when they take girls man. E so bate mi odo. Lapa. Oh yeah ya mi odo. Lapa yeah ya mi odo. Now them go they say okwemila money. One woman go sell okwemila 1 million. Destroy wetin amazing that BB hotel destroy wetin ima amwe yarea anywhere where or maybe go nobody go to enter there. How where BB hotel is not going there for now. Nobody should go to that BB hotel. You want me to go press it there for there? You want me to go press it there? Who get that video when I send that to me? Where if I talk am, you say we dey talk wetin we not get proof. I want to talk wetin not get proof. Oh, listen. When Omeme do that thing to Baleke for Wesley Hotel, now people begin to run for that place. You hear? People begin to run for that place. Not be that mission when they play there. Me and Isha people will not get problem. We at that man will be fair when they play for them. Me will not get problem. It's like we do it. Whether not from Isa or not Isa, not concern me. We on a one. Wait till he do Maleke for Wesley. Now people run for Wesley. If you don't know me, you know. You just say, but you see get level the way they do back for Wesley Hotel that time. Do you know how many people will call me? Do you know how many calls I receive from London? People call me, let me know, say my brother, this Wesley where you make sure you know so. I beg not go spoil the hotel. This man not be a bad friend. Yeah, this man not be party. They don't be friend at all. Do you know how many people will call me? I not be stupid person. I listen to my elders. I will call me and my elder, so I need to say, okay, no while I beg. Tell this Wesley, make it beware of this Ogbeti. But the day when I go see him with him, they sit down together, they enjoy it. Then I go no say they support her for this bad thing they do. You just say Ogbeti go they come out, they insult everybody for Edo State. They those are never die, they bring people to come out, they announce and they go say don't die. Maybe they happy. Do you know so all this way they do after us and they make and quit die? I tell you for you, big hotel. Which when that thing come out, which they call that hotel, whether a big, I've been a BB hotel. No, any level. Anybody with diaspora, my good support, followers, where level. If you enter there, anything you see there, no call me. No call me. No tell me say my brother, they don't thief my phone for BPO. I go there, drink where they give me, post my belly. No call me. No talk on this way a day. No, me talk on. Now anything where this Ogbeti talk. With the whole land for hand, with the user, they do something. You hear? So not when they say you want spoil waiting, whether be waiting concern me. No be Kabaka hotel they spoil, they destroy. Kabaka on the day. If I call some people not they enter there, the man not go ever happy. They demolish the hotel. Why they like BB? They cannot get BB. Why like that? Very simple and clear. Una see Ogbeti car for outside, don't enter that place. You, my good follower, when me tell the pride, me they go poison them. No way. No way. You don't go poison them. On that update, we go plan. But you went the right, so I go play with you. This man talk now. See, now small rain, now for now. I believe I'm a fish a day live video today. See. When I see what they talk, off here, you there here they talk. Small rain go fall for home. People on the zero they pass. Nothing is working. Ask me they ask you now. All the street lights, airport road, that light not they home before. When a someone like they know they walk. Long time, my brother. I'll test my colleague Kevin. Thanks for coming. You know they walk. Don't fight to anybody. Talk calm. Talk the truth. Talk the truth. Even you when the right time, yes, so the people like you supposed to come out to correct the governor, not be our God. When you want start to the work, you not go work. You know how much they collect? But they collect almost 900 hem every month. Still yet no security for your state. You dey here the club they follow or maybe. Why you like that? Don't go there. It's a no go area.
It's already there in Benin. I have to swim to go to Ogida Barrack to go home. I'm swimming. See now? I'm swimming. See me? I'm swimming. I'm swimming. I was swimming. I was swim. I was swim. On a simple for 6 feet. I swim with the swim. I want to see river. Now the sea river. This one a stadium road.
Can you imagine?
I'm swimming. And they go get that barrack. Because person of it say, you know, you want to sleep inside GRA. I don't get I want to sleep for GRA. I say so I get I want to sleep. See
Edo, where you there now, my brother? We don't have governor. No man, this one with the right nonsense here. Bekus, where you there now? I don't invite a fair you don't talk to us. And I say somebody there with the comment to. He didn't talk to us anyway. Long time I see you. Thanks for coming. Una see Stadium Road. Stadium Road. Now it be river so. Or wait our swim. Now swim they swim for inside. Swim. This one is Stadium Road. Or where?
See now, all of them fight for position, they fight for position, they fight for position. Nobody they will talk say they fix the water they this believe. One man here they fight for position. Now if position, now they government I be like we know they government. We never sign ourselves. Now they government I be like we know they government. Wetin be our own for inside? And that be the problem now. When they fix erosion where they do now, they tell us say oh now they government I be like we know they government. We never sign us inside this matter now. I sorry for Ekpobayi people today. I sorry for Ekpobayi. Put the Ekpobayi now. They sorry for.
No road. All right. I tell you, that's most more. May we go back to our international item. May we go back the latest on board where Ogbeti for talk something. Make we talk him. Not be me talk him. Okay, like someone is calling. Make I quick answer this call. Yeah, answer this call.
The Nogi of Sweden.
Well, talk me, Baba. I greet you, sir.
Hola, boy. Happy Sunday.
Send to you, Domo, sir.
Why correct? You know, I go if you contest election, you know, we not get problem. But if you win, you not rule well. Now there wahala dey.
I don't find that music tire. I don't see him. I don't know. Bless say not the YouTube.
I will send her through another person war. Since you don't go, now only the background I go for the year. I will send her to you. No.
I beg send that to
I
me.
will send her. You feel even plan this program. They go. You know, see river. Just na river everywhere na river now. As you come up for your house, you go your wearing boots.
Oh.
Or if you don't wear rain boots, you know you see that video now we just show the now. Stadium Road and now our sister is heading to Ogida Barrack.
Stadium Road.
From Ring Road to Ogida Barrack when it rains, at least you go to see person you go to drive 3 hours. Journey way not pass 10 minutes or 15 minutes.
3 hours. They both way.
Yeah, he also got one other one where he did. I don't know whether he also show that one. That one is St. Savior where they construct. We never reach 1 year. They see water everywhere. So even start with my brother. If you even see the gutter, the gutter now it be like straw. When they tell you if one drink now, basically give you straw. Now so gutter be don't carry water. So how you going to expect that kind of say if we enforce the water of it go? Oh, whether we like it or not, they call this one where Abad do. This one are Abad. No, now Abad versus governor now.
Yes.
Abad versus Obaseki. We said it earlier. We saw it coming. So all those one for me, if it surprise any other of my brother and sister, like person like me, I've said it before and I will say it again. You know, they surprise me. They never even start fight. Until they go set Osadebe Avenue ablaze. You go here say fire cars. Fire never start now. Fire don't start.
So now me say, Mr. Akola, you dey try let us know say yes, say this Ogbeti go fit talk am. Say that he talk am.
You don't play the video for the first time.
No, they don't force am. They don't force am.
Now, person force am put for him match.
No.
They not. No, be say na the doctor and I say maybe they call it also they go doctor and maybe they go edit and say now another person talk and they call it say na bad. No, na a video. So they should not be surprised. They should not be surprised because when the righteous rule, the people rejoice. But the people when we have now for the aim of affairs, they are all in. They I don't know what I use another adjective word when I go use for them again. They don't just state the foundation of this state has been destroyed by Baseki. He don't destroy the foundation of this state. Even when we even complain that those the way that we even say lucky. This is the worst ever. This is the worst ever. Maybe we don't come villages so. He got one video. When I go also see send, I will see send and give you. You know also I tell you one yesterday now.
Yes. You show me one.
That hospital when they go do for when Georgiana go do for Igwelao for Via Southwest after we do, you know, show them as hospital be to 20 minutes to 2 Nigeria time. No nurses, no attendants. They don't inside hospital. Person need down for inside water. They beg over second make it come to their aid. Last you say person no way. They say when they rush and go down make that maternity. For first aid, maybe they give us first for them, maybe they can go finish. The person sickness not go worse, not go die.
You don't die.
That one na hospital. Now hospital be that. Hospital, you dey hospital, you from there they see the sky. The hospital they leak. And the same Imaswag Morasma, after they don't sell it better, collect billions of naira from Obaseki. The same man when they defend Obaseki say the 192 ward in Edo State, he don't build standard, say world standard hospital. And those things, Ministry of they go intervene. Ministry of Health, they go intervene. They don't go, you cannot, you will not go believe, say, the Minister of Health today is from Edo State. And we not yet see the state of our hospitals. We not get clinics, we not get maternities, we not get hospitals. We not get. He never built say one when he built like this. But if they're busy, they won't give people COVID-19 vaccine. But you don't get standard hospital where we say maybe you don't build now, for example. The one person even build, you allege and say you know equip them. Why can't you equip it and open it for public use? Instead you privatize them. You will go back people from all over other states. They get their own state too. You go past the call. Now they call the manager of hospital for us. My brother, whether we like it or not, I know say may anybody go mark my word. Nothing what this man go fit do again for the 3 years, next 3 years, we say remain so. Nothing he go fit do again. Don't finish. I don't phone. You got do phone. You got do phone. Allocation phone. Allocation phone. It's gone. Now recovery day. Now recovery. His man is just trying to recover his money. When he take back Zimbabwe ticket from PDP. You can imagine, not be say na news again. You see that our brother, where God go bless. My brother, me not the follow party again. If that our brother say, for example, he come and say, I go support him.
Yes,
whichever way.
Of
because
course.
that my brother, he never to tell me with I also talk just about say 1 hour ago. We spoke on the land, we talk. How the state go say move forward. Now we dey Nigeria. So now we dey. I don't feel some of our men will be brothers that we did diaspora. Where they believe, when they are back, they say they go say thing. Where they say start money from there again. They will talk again now. Some of them did that Europe, they don't have same money go give their family one day. Our banks begin to brainwash them. Wait a minute, anybody can come and make a challenge. How about they brainwash them? All in the name of 4+4. And they don't say it now. My brother, whether we like it or not, those people who shout 4+4, they remember, now today is 3rd of October 2021, they tell you so. Go mark my way, you say I see talk. They don't plan bastards now, be say, when did they tell us now? What did they tell us for that letter? Be say, when a person is there office, he not work for complete 4 years. he must complete the 8 years. Now be the meaning of that 4+4. Whether we like it or not, Obaseki now don't start on. So when you also don't reach another person, turn away maybe for 4 years, he not work. Instead of there, when they unite together, when they vote that person, I mean another person still come, when they test them, they will say no. He must to ban and he don't ban now. So we should not complain. And only we make that's not able to get anything where they lose. They never get anything where they will complain because the day comfort zone, the day where you say maybe they not go take like Stadium Road, Water Day, Upper Market Bond, Police Station Bond, this one, no. They don't see that one now. But now we, this state, now we they feel the heat. Now we they feel the heat from all angles. As they don't fall now, my brother, see hold up everywhere. Some area now don't block. Uselu now don't even block. No road to pass. No road.
All right,
all the people they shout now.
You don't enter one chance. You don't shout for problem. Mr. Colin, God will bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Send me that music. Thank you. Yes, okay. Mega deadline. All right. Now, my leader, we're about to end this broadcast now. Thank you for your update, my brother. I really respect you. Yeah. Amazing. Imafidon, thanks for calling. Yeah, if you get anyhow want to support any whatever, feel free to inbox me. We'll physically come here. We'll physically see what we'll physically do. So that's what we do. Okay. Thank you for watching. I tell you, I say now part 1, part 2 to part 10. Now we want to do this matter. So not be waiting. We'll finish one day. We'll suffer the talk and they go. Now part 10. Now we won't go finish this matter. So you will never follow this my page. Feel free to follow this page. So that next time we start together. And feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Please do that. Because don't bring down this my view. People that is watching this broadcast now, this is more than 500. If you doubt me after I end, go and check the view. Feel free to share this broadcast. Oh, my leader, JJ, thanks for calling. Good evening. I really respect you. Thanks for calling. All right. Make I plan one more time. We will continue from there tomorrow. Make una listen. This one will be waiting the talk of person mouth. And he by himself use the mouth talker.
My name is Nidiana. Oh my lad, you're not aware. Mo hami. Where Okaluto.
Please, who they call now?
Kingsley Point, WhatsApp audio.
Play this music.
Hello?
Yeah, my leader.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Remove any speaker. One way. Remove any speaker. When you hold him, you can't come out.
Okay. Hello. Oh, Yeah, hey, Luta. Moi, ne? Okay. Let's see.
But so I know all that time name is we need Diana. Oh my lad, they're not aware. Mo no hami. Where Okaluto read do mapie. Oh my lad. Even the man one more young. Imagine the Okaluto go about this thing. But so I know. So no matter what I'm going.
Terrorist Abatoba said, why are you so wicked? Everyone know that Mega Comrade Clement Eranomego Edegbe is not a Governor Obaseki fans. Why will you inject Governor Obaseki into this Papa Wala and Destiny matter? Abat, Why are you indirectly telling the public, confirming it that Governor Okaluto Arioba, Governor Obaseki Gomabie, but you are indirectly telling people that His Excellency Governor Obaseki have no child? Why are you laughing at him about? Why are you indirectly letting the public know that Okaluto Arioba, but why are you so wicked? Is it by force to get an appointment? Why are you doing this, Abatobaze? Your hypocrisy is too much. You are an hypocrite. And these are the things others will say. You will say, well, let the governor kill them. Let the governor do that. And you are doing the same thing. And here you are trying to blame it on a stone. If you did not say it, go and swear to terrorist Abatobaze. Where you have you go. Where you have been born, you wear a ball. About Obaze, you are so wicked. Let the whole world hear it again when you said it. What concerned the governor into this matter? Okalu to Arioba do. Una Agoba just went about you are so wicked.
You always go too far.
What you concern Ruwela and Wela?
Oze ya te oni ka besi ko wa. Ezo na are ni na ni wa ka bo. Oni wa ka bo ya take away. Ado ya ti ni mo ado te ni no ma su ado ka.
Enu we ma so ke social media. Enu we se orin ya fe. Na you we come out insult the fullest land. Now you want to come and say you know they feel they sleep, you know they feel they do this. You never see this kind of thing before. You never see anything. People insult people. Maleke head, Sandra Gogu head, Akobe no Munigo, ya David Oye, Denko, every man over the rest in peace, Castiosa Akumbo, O Januenia, when Waya Mudia Koshomo le report, when Waya Mudia Matthew Rogide, Kian Wado, Nana of the return back to you. You never see anything. This one has started now. Yours the beginning. Yours the beginning. Where you mean up? Who you just say everybody right? Everybody agrees and you talk. Not be like they put for your head. Now June I talk. Tomorrow go for Benin, no road to pass. No Gelegele support, no street light, nothing is working. Iya egbe beautiful iya egbe yowa. Wala wa mukugbe wa mo laptop me wa go me la YouTube wa we go we laptop me wa we go
election you don't win you don't
get the problem but if you win you no rule well igbese de o if you no rule well igbese doko. I tell you now, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 10. That day,
I can't give it
why I say you don't get the problem.
You don't get election long ago, and you used to opponent. You be like a blessing.
They fight around the way. We may surely fight another day.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah,
Another day. My people, when I know Russian, I really appreciate you all for coming. We're going to do on like this, small they go. We're going to suffer the drum they go. Feel free to share this broadcast. Do whenever subscribe to this subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my page. We'll continue from here tomorrow. Now part 1, part 2 to part 10. Now we won't do this matter. So I don't get where they already go. Thank you all for watching. We'll continue from here tomorrow. You will disagree with us, feel free to call. May you talk to the whole world. The reason why you disagree. So, Omeme, Ogbeti, no, it's going to do people. Now they return back to Unaso. So while another day, we will continue from this great music. You that contest selection don't win, may you not get a problem. Come more time tomorrow, the same time. Now this music will then start. I don't want to if I say make I start this music now, we're not go finish today. Thanks very much. God bless you. Thank you very much, Ekato. I respect you. Bye bye and share this broadcast. See you the same time tomorrow.